Dear brothers and sisters, welcome to Wellrace channel. In this video, I am going to talk about complete philosophy and functions of acupressure alternative medicine system in a scientific way. Request your attention throughout the video to know the truth about acupressure medicine system. First and foremost, I would like to thank the Almighty and my gurus for given opportunity to talk about acupressure science. In Siddha and Ayurveda, imbalance of Vata, Pitta, Kapha is considered as a disease or sickness. Diagnose the three element pulse, which includes Vata as gas, Pitta as heat, Kapha as water element to identify the disease. Similarly, in acupressure, 5 elements are source for body function, which is air, water, wood or metal, fire and earth. Good health of the body is made based on the quality and its functions of 5 elements. Moreover, in acupressure medicine, there are 12 key meridians, which is nothing but energy path. When there is a block or disconnect in the energy path, which is considered as disease or felt as pain. Meridians are associated with 12 organs. Organs are connected with 5 elements. Now let us see the organs and its corresponding elements. Large intestine and lungs belongs to air element. Urinary bladder and kidney belongs to water element. Gallbladder and liver belongs to wood or metal element. Triple warmer. In acupressure medicine system, triple warmer is a unique organ. It functions to keep the body in right temperature. Triple warmer, pericardium, small intestine and heart belongs to fire element. Stomach and spleen belongs to earth element. Now let's see how these 12 organs function in our body. There are 2 cycles in our body, constructive cycle and destructive cycle. First, let's see constructive cycle in detail. Let us take air element first. Large intestine and lungs are air related organs. Combination of air molecule creates water. Air is the source for water. For example, hydrogen and 2 times of oxygen gases creates water. Urinary bladder and kidney are water related organs. Next, water is essential for plant and trees. Water is source for metal or wood element. Gallbladder and liver are wood related organs. Next, wood is required to make fire. Wood is the source for fire. Heart, pericardium, small intestine and triple warmer are fire related organs. Next, heat is essential for earth function. For example, solar energy of sun gives life and source for creations in earth. Stomach and spleen are earth related organs. Finally, earth is required for an air atmosphere to surround earth. Earth is source for air. This is how these 5 elements and its associated organs are constructing the constructive cycle in our body. If any deficiency in any of the element, it cannot supply required energy to the subsequent organs or element, which is considered as disease. Next, let us see destructive cycle in detail. In this cycle, excess supplement of one element also impact respective organs. Let us see how. First, high speed wind destroys trees. Trees are falling down during cyclone. Likewise, excess air element impacts wood elements and its organs. Next, unwanted plant growth affects the yield of the crop in agriculture because nutrition of the soil is spoiled by the unwanted plants. Likewise, excess wood element disturbs earth element and its organs. Next, when earth element increases, it disturbs water element. Soil is used to drain water. Likewise, excess earth element spoils water element and its organs. Next, when water element increases, it disturbs fire element. Water is used to stop the fire. Likewise, excess water element spoils fire element and its organs. Next, when fire element increases, it disturbs air element. When fire is created, it smoke pollute the air. Likewise, excess fire element spoil air element and its organs. This is how excess element disturbs and spoils respective other elements' functions. The two cycle, constructive and destructive cycle, are functioning in our body like this. When all the elements supplies the required sources at right level and right quantity, our body functions perfectly and we feel that as good health. When the supply of 5 element is affected due to internal or external reasons in body, the cycles get disturbance and it is considered or felt as a disease in various parts of the body. This is the essential science and background of acupressure science. In my one of the previous video, I had explained about an Android application AcuBestCare and web applications www.wellrace.in to identify the right acupressure curing points for the given disease or symptoms or rejuvenating organs. Hope it is very useful. If you haven't seen my previous videos, please check out respective videos and applications. In my next video, I will explain how to identify the impacted element in our body and how to fix or correct them by simple acupressure massage. These techniques are called as pulse diagnosis, which includes pulse reading and correction. When impacted element is made normal by acupressure, it supply the required supplement to the subsequent element and its organ, and then the body become normal and to feel good health. Let us see the details in my next video. If you have any questions, please post in comment box. If you like this content, please share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.